Yeah, sure, bafethu, it's your boy, it's a man say, due to my daddy. The phenomenal 7 o'clock now, 7 on cool, 777. Abamazi bathi uthando akabuthelezi ushenge uswalisa umnyamane kanqongelelo usondile. Yo, guys, we back again with another episode. In which is we are redoing the episode due to unforeseen circumstances. But then thank you to the people related to Amastipete Swasendile, Facebook, TikTok. It's nice, guys. So we had to do it as soon as possible. So guys, let me reintroduce them.
Usenze nokachiyane lokhu mayo phuma phansi eBigville ezweni laMangwane ngokuhlala ngihlala eThokoza Gardens eMasilo Street ila ngikhona kodwa nje ngokukhula nokuthi nangikusala ikhaya litse eBigville wanyama ipheli phela amazinyo ndoda phansi entimpinyane ke la siqhamuka khona mfowami ngiyajabula nje nami ukuba inqane yohlelo lakho namhlanje ngiyabonga.
Hayi noma siza nje sesikuletha okwesibili mfuthu leschedule sakhe sibhizi singaka kodwa ke sixolele ngalokho mfuthu
umsebenzi mfuthu akukho ukuthini kufanele sipha abantu ulwazi sinalo ya noma ngabe kuthiwa kwenzakalani izinto ziyenzeka mfuthu angithi manje ya umuntu akabeke icala ya singakazi umsusa wendaba kodwa nje kuba khona kwamohluleni lakho mfuthu akulona iphutha futhi akuyona inkinga. Ngiyajabula futhi mengithi ngiphinde ngabanani madoda kulelo lihlelo.
Asibonga mfuthu uthi ufikile futhi mfuthu uzophinda ushare futhi story sakho kabusha. Ya mfuthu cela asiqale phansi mfuthu siqale vele la isuka phi vele usenzini usuka laphi ibhola uqale nini because of as much as mina ngikwazi ngalendlela engikwazi ngayo ngoba sikhule sonke sidlala ibhola sonke. So ngifuna nje ubabonise umsuka wabo ukuthi usuka kanjani emakhaya kanjalo.
Hawu indendende ludaba kodwa ke sizalifika. Ngisuka eBigville njengoba bengichazile uqala umeqala ihlelo. Ngafika ke ekusukeni kwami ekhaya eBigville ngafika ngizofunda inqubelo la ngaqala khona iprimary yami. Ngafunda from grade R kwaze kwayofika grade 7 ngifunda inqubelo. Then ekukhuleni kwami ke bengumuntu ke mina odamana akakhula ke nasekhabe bazi ke ngakhula ke mina ibhola ngiyimncane ngithanda vele ukusebenzisa le plastic ngithanda nje ukukhahlela yabo kwaye ngokuya kwesikhathi ke njengoba ngiqala nje ukufunda ibanga ke grade R ke inqubela ngifika la eGoli. Then ngafunda inqubela ngadlala ama competition enqubela yabazi abo Milo ya namadanoni ya sidlala lo ma competition until ngizofikelela high school yami ke ngifunda eTisetsongo until ngaqeda khona. Ekufikeni kwami eTisetsongo nami kwakungazona inhlelo zami zokuthi ngiyofunda kuleso sikolo leso kodwa ngesimo sokuthi ngokwebhola ke ngathathwa ngayofundiswa khona ezinani ngikhula duka benazi iTisetsongo bebeyibuza ngeSchool of Excellence ngoba bongayenzi lutho ngekufika kulezi imidlalo. Sadlala eStation 2 neMhlodi ilokunyani iMilo qualifier sofanele siye eGymnastic la ngathathwa khona ucoach Buti angitshela ukuthi ndoda wena mase ufika ka grade 8 nasisikolo namele uyofunda kusona then ispace isikhona yonke into. Ngaleso sikhathi ke ekolweni ke ibhola bekuyinto into ephezulu kakhulu bese even enjoy school football ikunokuthi enjoy.
So mfuthu yabona sesisuke sesilanda esikolweni. Ngifuna siqale la uqala khona because of angeke vele usuke esiyodlala esikolweni ungadlalanga uma ekhasi and there's umuntu okhulumayo from ekhasi to esikolweni. Yes, football is esikolweni it's one thing that esibekile nathi amagama somewhere somehow but khona la iqala khona yonke lento ukuthi ke uthathwa ubani estradini obvious uthoza Buti uzokunika something sibone ukuthi simesa kanjani.
Abuti omdala mina mengasho nje ibhola ngiqala ukudlala kuma-ITK ngaphansi kwesandla sikaSipho Vilakazi owaziwa njengoThuli. Ngiqala ukudlala khona kusajinwa la ngasemafletini station 2. Ngithi ngimengize esikolweni ngiphathe into zami ngiphume esikolweni ngijime bese ngiye endlini. La ngaqala khona ukudlala ibhola before izomuvela eSemduli Stadium. Sadla ngidlale khona ke kuMatriculisi nabo Philip Dlondla nabo Sithethe nabo Figo. Into eyayimnandi ke ngeMatriculisi kwakune under each division bekuno A B C yabo wonke umuntu bekalithola ithuba lokuthi adlale. So ila ngaqala khona ukudlala kuMatriculisi and then ngihlala isikhathi ke lapha. Iyo ke club engasho ukuthi ngihlala isikhathi ngidlala kuyona because ngakhulela kuyona. Sasuka kuMatriculisi saba iTSA sesimuvele eSemduli Stadium Thokoza Soccer Academy. The Light of Ubuntsumi abo Siponyembe abo Tlapeng mentshela nje abo Themba Njiva abo Magwinya abo Tshepiso amaTwin nabaningi abo Chisa from station 2 yabona abo Mzizi ngikhuluma ngabantu esidlalile nabo kuleli dabala lelo. Then we were playing ileague yase Eden Park. Eden Park ke la eThokoza it was one of the best league besinayo Eden Park because nama club espread bewasuka khona azodlala abo Villa Espanyol abo Liverpool club ka Wanda Mtshali bekuyi competition labo khile sibabonayo namhlanje abo Mengo abo Figo bonke labo bantu labo be from Spring abo Keletso Spama they've played in that league Eden Park. So la ngisuka khona mina mfuthu ngisuka phansi kuyo le ndoda abathi utswe phansi kwesandla sikaTsovila kazi iMatriculisi le yaba iThokoza Soccer Academy sadlala neEastern League or before Eastern League we went for region region and then club yaba nama player yaba ne sport Eastern League sadlala ne league yaseJozi ka Augusto Palacios under iTSA. So mfethu ngasho mina ukuthi iplatform nokwazi kwami kwebhola nokunekhono ngalithatha khona kuyo le ndoda le yami uSiphovila.
So ngitshele ke mfowami mawuzosuka eNqubela ngikhumbula ungitshela ukuthi mawusuka eNqubela ekhaya kini bekuneyinhlelo zokuthi bazokuyisa emakhaya. Shintsha kanjani ukuthi ungasayi emakhaya?
Mfowami inhloso mfo kwakuthi ngoba ngikaku abazali babesesebenza unoku understand njengoba ngangichaza before mesiloko sixoxa mina la ukuthi siphuma emakhaya engafani ngawafana amakhaya siphuma ama background wethu awafani. Mina mengathi ngiyalula ngibe ngiyabanzi ungagcina singasayanga naphambili ngale podcast ngenxa yezinto engizobe ngitshela zona engidlule kuzona ukuthi ngibe la ngikhona namhlanje. Inhlelo abazali bebesasebenza khona la eGoli ekukhuleni kwami ngangeke ngihlale nogogo nomkhulu ekhaya umama ngapha eGoli then ngeza ngazohlala nomama nobaba and then sengikhulile phela ngenza after grade 7 namele ngiyokwenza ugrade 8 sengikhulile sengimdadlanyana manje ke ekhaya ke thina singabantu abafuyile imfuyo sifuyile so nokubona yimi ngedwa umfana ekhaya manje ke kwakunale nhlelo zokuthi hayi ndoda uzobuyela uyofunda ekhaya uzokwazi ukuthi ube seduzane nezinye zezinto zasekhaya uzokwazi ukubona ukhule wazi ukuthi ini yini. Okwatshintsha konke lokho ukuthi vele bese babona ukuthi le ndoda ine talent ibhola yalazi ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi mina mongangena endlini la eRomini or ekhaya lezi zinto obekelela ama achievement wabekela if bengathi ama medal uyawagalisa bakuphi imali ngabe ngisicebe indlela eziningi ngayo ngesimo sokuthi ngadlala ngimncane futhi mekudlaleni kwami ngincane ngise primary ngawina ama competition ngawina amanye ama competition futhi naku kuMatriculisi so babona ukuthi okay ikhona la so they were surprised mekuzofika umuntu athi nasi space sesikole because bona inhlelo zabo vele
yeah.
So but into kwethu ukuthi simthengele uniform indaba yespace nani nakhona ayesesho ukuthi uma ngabe seniyithengele uniform yesinye isikole singenza iplan ukuthi simtholele lenye uniform kanti vele ke besingakathengi lutho ukuthini angahamba ngayo ufunda eTisetsong
Kokoda nje namba masayisana inhlelo zakhe
ngihamba ngayo ufunda khona phela eTisetsong.
So what I've realized njami ukuthi you counter kaningi continuously so kahle what are the big impacts azidlalile empilweni yakho ukuthi njani?
Hey ubhuti yabona ngingakhuluma ngale yandoda ngashona ilanga because nje ijeni yami yaku high school ngaze ngayoqeda engcoach oyena bengayena ucoach yeah for mina side lami bengayena ucoach mina because bekuwumuntu othanda ukungibonisa izinto ukuthi empilweni futhi indoda kufanele wenze kanje thina ke saba nesibonelo esiseduzane ezama soccer player ukuthi sibonelele emntwini othile uNdlondlo if playing a professional level early I won't say mhlambe vele TV like udlale ko Vets nane kuma academy angathi right ane standard ese right asase esikolweni yabo then kwakuncu nabo four labo bashini so kwabangconyana yabo ukuthi kukhulunywa ngento abo 50 into esibonayo ukuthi njengoba nibabona balapha njengoba thina obvious nange Easter besikhula sibhekelela bona njengoba nibabona balapha benze 1 2 3 kuze kufinyelele lapho understand so ubuthi ukukhumbula kwami mengizodlala first cap yami mengidlala we playing against in Chokotaba then mina ngikhule ngidlalela as a left wing nini bangidlalisa as a midfield but we went through slow sidlala kuma coaching clinics lapha kwenziwa ama coaching clinics and then safike esimeni sidlala khona eMcDonald singana goalkeeper then kwakufanele ukuthi uNtsuma epalini so ngithola uNtsuma mele epalini and then they convert me to be a left center back and then from that ukunconverta kwakhe mfowethu kwangihambisa ibanga elide ebholweni because I went for district ngawumele district nabo Dunga from eBuhlebuzile nabo Bheja but nolungile Khunxwane I went for district from good district ku provincial and then ila abo Bheja baphelela khona nabo lungile but mina no Dunga we went through ku national si represent then noma saphazamiseka ke ukudlula kwakhe emhlabeni kodwa nako kwaba into yokuthi endoda so akuphushe wenzele leyo because ngiyakhumbula we went to Durban Cape Town ngayo le ndaba yesikolo ngayo ubuthi beno Mr Shabangu even though Mr Shabangu yafundisa eBuhlebuzile but was there for me ngaso sonke isikhathi because bekumuntu ofona into to rights endoda uyile ku session how far progress any injuries yabo bekwabantu abangikhathalelayo mfethu mengizothatha kuma award eTisetsong mengizothatha iplay of the season among all odds ngabo Siponyembe nabo bani they were there for me and then into engangiyithanda mina esikolweni we were supporting one another if iTisetsong was they were supportive enough I'm not saying like ngayibeki supportive like if it is so they have that idea about Diambas Clapham to turn a school to an academy ngabe manje we are still producing one of the best players because nayo buti bana leyo feeling make
Ronnie Sakchela namfethu ukuthi school football ndanga it's one of the things that like it's one of the platforms that gives us a platform because I'll say mina personally uthola igama lokuthi okay uthando I got it in school football yes besidlala like us nana but being recognized ngalo ndlela leyo it's from school the likes of abo Mazaza njengoba ukukhuluma ngeMcDonald final that final ngiyakhumbula bekumele ngihambe ngiyocircumcise eSkela lento lezi ukubayeza la honest nanani kumele ngivayile kusina azange ngivaya ngathi ngidlala final eMcDonald mangiyafika ngiyakhumbula mangifika there is almost ama-player robas amaningi wafunda la so mina bengidlalelani all nation which is u-10 mangidlala lapha ku-10 mangifika lapha vele eske fika vele bathi asibagcokile umazakazi athini yazini ama-player amaningi adlala ku-robas asinike abanye ama-player i-chance wangaphandle they gave me number 8 athi ngiqoke wathi udlalani ngizongidlalela left wing and akhumbula I'm the one who scored uNtsumi la so it's a thinking of ibhola lasi-scale libhaya njengoba kusho nange-riding itisetsong nje kuzosilanda kuyimi ubheja ummeli uDumo nosilanda sodlala riding manje udliwa ile ngasudliwa vele le-pregnancy sidliwa ile nto le Isilini School of Excellence so it's one of the things that njengoba usho wena uthini itisetsong vision leyo icabanga ngakhona don't you think uthini if they approach bekhona somebody approach them man ngayenza so because of like Chokoza the most developing school ama-player and like especially ama-player at the professional level amabhaya if you look aphuma etisetsong Thabang Mokoena which is u50 uFole Mlaba udlale ku-Pirates development wadlala manje angazodlalela then Ndlondo udlala Pirates udlala kuma Gallants now Upa Mtawu and which is it's one of the players who phuma nezandleni zeni which is maybe in the body shilo if there's something yabo so it shows which people laseskela it gives us a platform
in the last doti lo muntu ndoda last doti mokhuluma ngoOpa Mtawu right back ye TS Galaxy currently manje my brother fana ne brother yakhe mfethu lencane uthela wayeka mfana bebe stoti but yeah uyazi at some point yena semOpa besinokuxabanela ukuthi ufuna ukuyeka isikole mtshele ndoda lokho angeke ukwenze because mungana matric mfethu angeke mungana matric mfethu and then life after football kuzokwenzakalani ngana matric and I need to make sense ukuthi ngibonise ukuthi ndoda empilweni yonke into njengamanje idinga matric noma ngathi ufuna ukubamba imoba ufuna matric so ufundile and guess what waphasa kahle hayi ukuthi bekangaboni esikolweni ukusa wayesile but yet now mfethu waphasa grand matric yakhe it's playing on a professional level discipline usayibambile angeke ngithi mina iplayer engala elisuka kimi ezandleni no udlalile mfethu kulihle nde ulihle play huge role kule mfana lo yana understand thina besimazi ngomayaka mina only give the boy platform engizomlanda from kulihle ngicoach eHyper Academy sidlala neSundowns ngicabanga ukuthi we still go into details about that i-platform nje ngapha khona umfana adlala namanye ama-academy okhula kahle nes-cultural league ne right phela thina remember ukuthi thina mesikhula eDumo bengekho lento yabo GDL GDPL bengekho mfana umdala thina bekuyi-region maybe ethi we are playing a big league bekutshela nge-region but now these boys they are having these such opportunities
because of because of by things vele mangithi ngiyabheka nje the product besinayo thina la I don't think uthini ngabe sinayo 4 or 5 players who played in the PSL level. It's just that maybe nathi we were not motivated ngaleyo ndlela leyo yabona because of we didn't see abantu eduze ngathi okay yes abondlondlo bayi but then if ever uzobona uNdlondlo abuye lokishini azodlala like us from vets you understand uthini sizibuza imibuzo kwenzakalani kanti kwenzakalani le yabo abanye amajita abagcoka ama-tracksuit babuye lokishini but it was part of football and it was a learning curve nje
mfethu mokhuluma ngoNdlondlo ukhuluma ngenye awuthi be discipline discipline belapha be discipline from and ukhuluma ngeoutside ne loyalty from snack hlale ku snack isikhathi eside from ukuthi
isikhathi eside
because ezinye izinto mfethu people they saying they know Ndlondlo but abayazi le abayazi umuntu ongakutshela ngoNdlondlo usikhalo from eBasuthwini beno Sipho Vilakazi sikhuluma in a development level before kufika ku Tyros kuBasuthu ohlale eBasuthwini ku Snake before kufika lapho bantu we are talking about uSipho Vilakazi, we are talking about uSikhalo, which is from asuka kuSikhalo, he came and played for Mighty Kellies, then he played for TSA, and then thina simaza saso Arkela saqina but asikho lapho, but that guy took football serious, imbeke because of his discipline nokuthanda yena nokuhlonipha ke and akana arrogance mfethu uhlonipha wonke umuntu ngeke umthole sokuthi Philip Sithombe ayicela Sithombe aloba abangeze indlela uyazi ukuthi ngiyiplayer lomphakathi ngumuntu we-community and then i-community if ngenza kahle they clap hands so umuntu obe-discipline kakhulu mfethu loyo and then is representing us ezithokoza ngendlela right and ngimbona phethe unbelt currently kuma previous game beka i-captain kuma room then that it's a growth mfethu, it's a growth vele lapha isekhaya lakhe mfethu, isekhaya lakhe lonona la uyile from Marumo waya go Pirates but they want him back in isekhaya la. There's no place like home baze bamnika nemoto, so that guy mfethu singathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu makangasigcinela yena we can see him far from where he is now.
Yeah, because of dangaziningi vele into singazikhuluma ngabo ndlondo nanani, but then if you can like get deep knowledge about coaching yakho njalo yabo singene kwi-coaching yakho because of zibaya into uzenzile as coach rather than i-player wethu as much as development bokusho ukuthi developile so development and much as football ungayanga fair, but in coaching I believe within you are far or you're going far.
Yeah, it's another journey mfethu. Starting point nesingaqala sikhuluma indaba ye coaching ukuthi ngiqale nini and then
so since vele manje wana sesikhuluma ngebhola vele la khona na athi siyipende manje sichinja wana siyenze ibe interesting ngento oyenza manje currently, because of I don't think maybe manje usesenalo believe yokuthi mina can still make it to PSL level. This age maybe sakuvumela, but then mazodlala ku PSL level now kule age ukuyo maybe uzodlala 6-7 years manje one, but kule ubusy ngayo manje and which is something that you good at into oyenzile ngithi mina kunezinto engizwine nawe. There's many trophies awekho maningi lama medal la, there's more, but ilawo asiduze lawo I think ngithathe lawa first right. So especially abona le I guess this is the huge one esayina le Poland le sidlala nawo Phuphiso Party na yasikhumbula leso squad leso, but ngifuna manje lesingene kule yakho ye coaching, because of coaching uyiqale in the young age which is nami clearly nawe mara umcoaching sakuna tournament saqala ukwazi manje ukuthi ayi maswim tournament sakwazi ukuthola i-2 nyana. That's when esibone khona ukuthi okay ibhola kanje at least ngayibo senzeni ngiyakwazi ukuzishashayela kusenzeni anginike i-2 asishashayele kubosikhulu kuthengwa ama-chips, kuthengwe neqaleni bekuthengwe chips nani thiwa kuzothenga amabhola asingawaboni. So mawuqala i-coaching nje uqala i-coaching now how many years?
Angeke ngithi it was a coaching as such from the years at the age of 14-15. Angeke ngithi it was a coaching, but ngilo umuntu oshesha grab ashesha funda, because ngikhumbula kahle when I've started this Utso was having back-to-back meetings boma Eastern, and then safika ku session bengeke ke sihlale size simele Utso ukuza gym, and then I took over from the training session and then I conducted the training session. They run smooth. So le outside team ifike yabona musi I'm in charge of the training session, whatever it's happening a repetition into besenza izolo bekasenzisa yona, but now we are adding another ama element nje, it's fun siyadlala yabo, but in a direction futhi nama rules yonke into yethu besenza bengiyenza benzisa yona then according to my understanding, and then he approached me so and what how about sikunikeze under 11, because sinokushayeka thina in terms of dlala under 11 efield A nani yabo athi ayangina problem. That's when ngiqala khona ukucoach ukwazi ukubeka imarker for i-training session nani from Kutsu. Then we went beyond ngiloko siphusha because I was playing while ngidlala bengicoacha ngapha ngidlala, and then I remember mengidlala iTebo Mgwena yabo. Yes, I have to ukuthi ngibalance izinto zami, but it was a good journey mfethu kuwo konke engiqalile. But now la ngikhona mfethu nama ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngiyifikele mfethu yabo, ngifike isupport yenu. If nina bengangilaleli towards lento bengintshela yona, I was not going to be where I am today. Bengangifundi. Remember ukuze ngikwazi ukucoacha kumele kube khona nini as players. Angeke ngithi ngikwazi ukucoacha but ngihluleka ukubeka imarker, ngihluleka ukwenza i-drill, ngihluleka ukudila ngama game situation ezifana nalezo. So engakubonga ama players abe involved throughout coaching game in coach. I mean ama players bewanami kuleyo ndima leyo, because to be a best team needs good players. To produce good players need material. Then to have material you must also have players also utilize ngayo lo material ukuthi babe right. You understand? So ezinye zezinto esizenzile mfethu ebholweni we sishaya isifuba. Yekuthanda ngingakutshela kahle ukuthi njengoba bengiqala ukucoacha ngeke ngaba nenkinga mfethu, ngihlangabezana nenkinga eningi. Kunabantu abazocriticize, kunabantu abazokwenzana, because ngicoachile mfethu ukuthi SA
for years.
Ngicoachile for years mfethu ukuthi SA, and then I went ku Hyper Academy. Yabo mfethu ngizokuchazela nje ukuba khona komazakaza abo Wanda nabo abotso abo Butibuti mfethu abo Brathemba. It's one of the coaches besibukela kubona mfethu yabo, besibukela kubona. Now ethokoza maybe ngakutshela ukuthi lokho angikusho nange confidence. Ethokoza maybe ngathi mfethu kufuneka manje ucoach ozohamba nesquad. Unganginikeza sona isquad noma ungangipha 2 days to do nje i-game situation, sibone ukuthi ubani angafita kupha, can go and give you results. Yabo into ye-coaching bengayithathi serious kangaka yabo, until kuba nabantu abathi lento kuwena mfethu yabo. So I went for coaching ngaya beyond, bengana D license before. Then in coach ekhaya ngana D license. Ngiyambonga namanje uchairman gave me a platform. Akusi ubani noma ubani ozokuthatha unganancwadi athi woza yabo eclubini yami. Ngifunde kuningi, ngimentora bomazakaza njengoba ngisho. Njengoba bengichazela eli ukuthi ngithathe ezinye inyathelo ukuze ngifike la bengikho.
Yeah, that's njami mase sikhuluma ngehyper. Yazi it's interesting njaya. There's this game lo ngitshela ngayo yabo. Le bukhuluma ngayo yabondosi, yabo AC, yabo sesh.
Igame yabo leyo game, igame yamacala. Mwazi ukuthi igame yamacala, igame yamacala. Mfowethu mengicoacha under 15, mengizolanda uOlwethu. Ngilanda uAce, ngizolanda uNdosi from Kulihle to join Hyper Academy. It was a week before siyodlala, it was 2 weeks before if I'm not mistaken. Si prepare ukuyodlala neSundowns eyasidla yabadla I think yes yabadla first leg because I was not there first leg maybe edlala nayo. Then mfo thina ke nobani iplay edlale ku Hyper relazwe uchairman we Hyper uzokwazi ukuthi le umuntu angakumthola kwacasikile, angakuthola uNcwenga kwatile. Never. I can bet ngaya kuye manga kumthola kwatile like uNcwenga. And then we went to kulo game sidlala neSundowns. Ngafilda uNdosi, ngafilda uAce, ngafilda uSesh kanye. Game wafika athi baba wami kancane bhuti, ngithi chairman yini inkinga. Sorry bhuti, labantu laba bhuti abakaqedi na 1 month la eklabhini yamba sebezodlala igame enkulu kangaka, babuya licabangela igama lami uNkulunkulu wami. Ngithi mina chairman, we just giving boys an opportunity to usaphana nama opportunities. Sorry bhuti, bengicela ukuthi ine case bhuti mekuphela le game ntambama bhuti eClub House ine case icala lakho liyangena bhuti. ngathi mina chairman elani icala no bhuti dlala bhuti ingaphazamisi yakora kuqala iSundowns wabuya lapho uyakhona sekezwe isikole ukuthi 1-0 wathi sorry bhuti kahle yini inhloso zakho ngale club yami yithi chairman ngisacoach ngiphaza yima bhuti noma bangakore elinye vele wena sone case bhuti ngathi ayikulungile chairman bengicela ukukhuluma nawe icala lakho ncike yami imeqeme kuphela la athi baba uNkulunkulu akubusise usadlisa iclub yami I was like sekuthiwani man
sekuthiwani iclub seyidlile
awu sekuthiwani man endoda we've played angakajiki nekhona lapha khona flag lasho 1-1 khona there was a boy abathi umatana yegwegwe nyano sigaqagaqa yayi strike yeah then same movement isuka kubo sesh ace yabo ladlala lisa bypass mfethu siyadlala ubona ibuild up from Bondoza abomumo right sine build up mfethu right yonke into yethi right just ukuthi ke obvious football is room of mistakes kuze sikore sikumela wena umake kabi or ube ne mistakes sikuphanisha mfethu sadlala sathola 1-1 sadlala half time against nase changing room ngikhulume nama player motivation game sikhuluma ngendlela emele strategy to approach second half yonke into ngiphume changing room mbashiye baphuma hlangane nayo ubuso bakho ungcenga nanga sorry bhuti ngikhohle meeting baba ungahambi bhuti akekho umuntu ozoyethokoza uzolala ehlapha house bhuti meeting baba iyangena ngo7:00 baba akunatori ezobhekelelwa baba meeting ne case ithi chairman
ilabo mafikizo lo bafaki
andot second half sadlala iSundowns philosophy bahle we think ismark the whole 20 minutes sibuya ku second half sokosmark sichita smart yabo sababamba ngepress but maybe qala sathi press sathola count sathola igoli sabuya 2-1 behind the ball yaphela igame ngakhuluma nama players ngayothi kwazi prepare le under 17 and then badlala ngathi makudlala under 17 nangilapho uhleli ngithi sorry bhuti ungakhohlwa ku meeting ngo7 baba wami uyamphazamisa bhuti ngisasebhizi angwabamba ama meeting mina ngekho bhuti ifile lento yena ethi hawu ngcono manje sekuthelela mina akusena meeting athi baba bengicela ukuthi meeting yakho siphinde siyibabe bhuti ngizobe ngibhizi kabi baba ngizoye enkonzweni ngathi hayi chairman ayikulungi then like it was fun ukusebenza nonathi mfethu it was very fun because it gave us opportunity without that much of knowledge and then we grow then mina mengizosibona ngicompete neSundowns nabo coach abaqualified ngikwazi ukubamesha and then I was like I'm an ability khona ikhona lento kimi nami sengiqala ngikholelwa kumina ukuthi lento ngingayenza mesidlala neChiefs ihome yethu ila ngibone khona ukuthi you can't be a coach ungadlalanga and then you need to understand football yangithola kunama situation la kufanele wazi ukuthi nami ngeke ngakuhlangabezana nawo
ne situation eso
ebholweni then I went to yonke lento long coach akuhyper then I came back ngezimo kuyazi kayikho indlela nankinga zayo I came back kwafanele ngiye ekhaya go back to KZN ila ngihlala khona ngathi ngifike KZN ngathi ukuhlala ke ngangiyofihla ekhaya ngiyofihla isakazi and then ngathi ukuhlala ke KZN ngijimela because KZN was not that much into coaching because of a facility so ngijimela ngidlala ama-tournament wale ngilapha nga-approach iclub abathi Young Elephant for APC Mtsipe I've played Young Elephant ngabuyiswa-ke izimo zasema-club house ngeke kulungele kudlala yibona indaba yase-club house it's another story for another day because angeke uhlalele mfethu ukuthi uyahlala the whole month mfethu awuholi but you are playing ku-APC Mtsipe imali yakho meyiza sometimes iyashorta kuneyinkinga then kuningi esihlangabezane nabo but it's a growth isikhulisile thina
it's part of football
so mengibuya ku-APC Mtsipe ngabuya ngeza la eGoli then ngahlalela ke nga-run club lokho kuba busy I went to Sky City And then before Sky City I went bengilong busy neBasotho. So in that situation islo si busy nakuBasotho nanani silokudlala yabo. Then I went for a D license. Ngayokwenza i-D license kuThokoza LFA. Uchairman wa LFA ke abu Sifiso Xhoxho nabo Tasbeki abo Mzo uThemba Brian yabo nabo Pule yonke board LFA. Why ngiba mention Thando labo bantu labo njengoba ubona ikhasi manje Thokoza effective ilabantu labayana obabugajeni because you know each and every was now Borek each and every weekend Saturday stadium yobhekelela league iPark and then it's sponsored Parkway Group. It's one of the interesting leagues because it produces lihlapha yodlala kuma playoff isnake even noma ingaphumelelanga but they show even support wekasi leyanto yabo competition ekasi sekhona ukuthi ngidlala ngifuna ukuya kuma playoff there's that competition abayilethile entwaneni zasekasi. And then into esifunayo vele ukuthi ibhola likhulu. Then they produce iclass lelokunjani le D license. And then I've done D license uma ngiqeda ukwenza D license ngayo coach ku Sky City and then currently they were number 1 ku under 15 ne under 17 ku GDPL. I was coaching under 15 and then before ngizoyeka because njengoba ngichazela indlu nendlu nomthetho wakho so futhi iphinde ibe nenkinga zayo. So uma ubona ukuthi lo mthetho obekwe kulendlu ngeke ukwazi ukulandela ungawuphuli deda kube khona abantu abazolandela umthetho because angeke ngitshintshe ama rules engwathola kwakho muthi sidla ngo8 kudliwa ngo8 angeke ngithi mina awu 8 kule idamele yabo yeah throughout the coaching. And then when I come back ku Sky City ngiyeka and then I've played a tournament ibenziwa uMaxaba la station 2 under 15 hlani isinto uyangazi njengoba ngizo ngaphazamisa ukuthi mekudlalwa ifinal bengiseclassini lesi license mekuzodlalwa ifinal ngahamba ngayokwenza then intwana zadlala zaba grand and yasithina silakhi ngani eThanda kunama hotmani ekasi abakwazi ukuba you know when we played i-tournament kaMaxaba nge-under 11 13 15 ne-under 21 uCharles ukhipha amajezi to all these divisions. We went back sadlala i-tournament kaTasbek i-35 anniversary uCharles wakhipha amajezi kwama-finalist kuleyo tournament. Is giving back to the community into esidingayo mfethu ngathi nalabantu abazi ukuthi abaphuma ekasi we are playing in a professional level or financially they are stable, they must come and give back to the community mfethu. And then we produce slow siqhubeka even as coaches is so khuthala mekuzoba nezinto ezinhle ezenzakala for abafana.
As speaking about Charles, I believe Charles is one of the impactful people abakhona la ebholini laseKasi. And checking going up, Charles said great and the best 11 namanje masingakhuluma ngebest 11 naseThokoza bengekuyishayela athi
mamela bhuti mina ungikhojile leya muntu
nami ungikhojile.
I remember mesodla yamadanoni kudlalwa le ngase yini iRamkonopi lapha eground ngase police station sidlala lapho he introduced information abathi 4-6 uqala ukudlala i4-6 ngale ya muntu lo ya dlala i4-6 it's one of the best so engizama ukusho Thando ukuthi yabona throughout this journey of coaching kimi now currently mfethu kunezinto as coaches besizenza wrong. Mina manje I'm a qualified coach with a C license from Good Guinness manje you understand. So kuGDL automatically GDL you awuhlali ebenchini ungana phepha mfethu. Now sebe introduce isi ukuthi funakala umuntu one C grandstand ebenchini
professionalism ethics.
Yes it's compulsory ukuthi kube nomuntu one C lapho
So
then they check before. Which are you having that C license? Are you having medic? Whatsoever.
the professionalism say.
So we grow. We are growing in football. So what I will emphasize, coaches, they need to go and learn. Kunezinto thando besizenza sisitshela ukuthi sizenze izinto ezi-right until we went through i-papers encwadini sabheka safunda manual sahamba sayokwenza ama-practicals egroundini throughout sifundile mfethu yabo and bekungekho lula yabo task assignment after assignment session plans nani yabo yonke lento leyo then ingaphile mfethu yabo uma ngizobuya la eKasi ngithi ngidlala kuma-under ngidlalisa ama-under 15 abantu bangifakela abantu abadala ngimise igame ngithi I can't play with nabantu abadala angibenganano le knowledge before but now I have knowledge ukuthi ku dangerous ufaka mina in risk oqhama ngizodlala tournament ngidlalisela abantu abadala organizer it must be there to be in charge ukuthi for documentations check kahle yabo because then to ngizodlalisa abantu abadala ama injury akhona angeke ngithathe wena njengoba ungaka ngiyokudlalisa kanda 17 icontact nale yamfana uyayibona ukuthi so ziningi mfethu ziningi baba ngithanda ukuningi criticism engiyitholayo throughout coaching yazi bekungcono ngisadlala than manje ngisacoach I've got criticism pipeline kunezoba nezinto ezinegative ozozizwe ebantwini kuzoba nabantu abazokhuluma behind your back bakukhulume kahle phambi kwakho babe bahle kuzoba nabantu abazokwenza ukuthi ubukeke kahle mowenza kahle abantu abaningi bakulindela ukuthi uflope kube nento abazokhuluma ngayo kahle but once wenza kahle ku quiet akunamsindo